Guys, good morning. So I just want to do a little live update ataupun house tour on my new studio apartment.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the.
So I've been living here for a month. Tak banyak sangat benda yang dah berubah. Basically banyak furniture yang lama-lama je. Bukan lama-lama, maksudnya dia previously yang ada kan. Tengok. So ni telefon tak function, tapi aku tak tahu apa dekat sini. So this is in the morning. So this is how I usually start my morning lah. Ini we're testing out our new DJI Pocket 3. Hopefully it's okay lah. Okay ke? Okay lah kan. So bila dah ada new camera ni baru semangat sikit nak buat video. Okay guys, so for the facilities aku tak sempat nak cover. So this is going to be just a short vlog sikit. Nanti next video I'm going to produce more videos lah. So stay tuned. Tapi kita just do a little catch up with you guys. And also if you have any video recommendations, comment down below. Kita akan tengok video apa yang kita nak buat. Okay, sekarang kita dah buat roti bakar. Nampak? Tada! Roti bakar pakai air fryer ni. Ow. Telur ni bagus, 6 gram of protein. Tapi itulah, busuk. Itulah suara aku pun macam demam-demam sikit kan. Sebab lately ni memang asyik demam lah. Allah. Telur. Okay guys, so untuk for the past few years banyak juga aku tak buat video kan. So it was due to life conflicts and everything. Banyak benda yang I need to settle. So currently I believe this is the career yang I'm settling down. Sebab bukan settling down, tapi this is the career yang I think I can go long term lah, untuk career growth and everything. So my current commission pun, my client base pun dah ramai and everything kan. So I just recently November and October, sekarang ni December, I just hit my first 5-figure income. I earn around 12,000 for December, November 12,000, September 7,000, September lepas tu August 6,000, and then June, July 6,000. Dia punya numbers tu around 687, and then finally hujung-hujung ni baru I dapat rasa that 5-figure income. So when we're talking about my career sekarang ni, kita more kepada sales lah, active sales activity kan. So I believe it's not that hard, it's not that easy, but it's worth it for you to explore the career kan. So kalau korang tengok 2026 punya goal board I dah buat, dah siap. So 2026 resolution, it's very the benchmark memang very high lah I would say. Sebab this year I am currently reading this 10x book. So I want to 10x my mind, 10x my goals, and at the same time 10x I punya effort lah. So that's the thing. And currently kalau you tengok dekat rumah ni, a lot of things has changed. Kalau compare to my previous rumah, bukan rumah, bilik. Dulu bilik the rent was like 400 including electric and everything, 430. So now I upgrade I punya tempat tinggal yang lebih selesa, so I can do my thinking, I can take good care of my nutrients, my food and everything kan. So it will cost me around 1,100 including electricity and laundry, 1,200. Sebab laundry, washing machine kita tak ada. So I kena hantar kat bawah, and then it will cost around RM4 per kilo. So every week around 15 to 20 ringgit hantar kan. So dia akan basuh, keringkan dan lipat. So I save a lot of time there lah. So and aircon aku memang jarang gila guna. Sebab satu, sejuk, and then aku selalu guna kipas je. Aircon ni rarely guna. Ni guna aircon ni terus demam. Terus batuk-batuk and everything kan. balcony pula memang berdebu sikit kalau korang tengok. Dan aku pun tak selalu sangat pergi sini. Sebab kalau aku smoking, boleh lah aku nak pergi sini kan. Tapi macam nak isap rokok pun tak. Selalu orang buat apa je kat balcony ni selain sidai baju. Aku tak prefer sangat sidai-sidai baju kat sini. Nanti baju pun terbang. So begitulah kehidupan semasanya. This is the life yang I would say I'm upgrading the life untuk looking forward for better commitment and also personal growth. Sebab when I have my own time, my space, I can do a lot of thinking, I can rest really well. So benda tu it helps me untuk move forward dengan lebih pantas lah. Currently aku as a unit trust consultant, banyaknya aku akan keluar jumpa clients, cari clients and everything. So as at today, December 2025, almost 2.7 million dah production aku orang invest. So it's not a lot of money, tapi throughout the journey tu it was really amazing lah. This one would be my office bag. Dalam ni lah aku letak form, iPad, pencil case, power bank, apa lagi, power bank, earphone. Ni apa? Ni kalau mulut bau ikan masin ke telur, boleh makan before jumpa clients. Ini minyak multi-purpose. Apa lagi ada ni? Ini tisu. Ini tisu untuk tampering klien. Ini paling penting. Yang ini paling penting dalam life aku sekarang. Yang ini paling penting. Yang ini paling penting lah, business card. So ini aku punya macam rak kasut lah. Tapi kasut tak banyak. Ni adalah kasut-kasut yang aku guna je. So ada kasut kulit 2. Ni satu. Kasut kulit second. Ni kasut ni memang tak pakai. Slipper ada 2. And then ini adalah tempat untuk aku simpan receipt. Sebab banyak. Banyak receipt. Ini receipt bulan 12. So setiap receipt memang aku akan simpan. Maybe untuk dapatkan tax exemption, belanja clients makan and other expenses lah. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Very short and nice and simple untuk I punya live update ataupun house tour ataupun studio tour. So later korang komen kat bawah what video yang I should make next. Banyak lagi video yang I akan buat, sebab kita pun dah ada kamera baru. So see you guys next time. Bye.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll